What's going on this morning, family? Black Phoenix checking in. Just wanted to give you a small update on my consultation fees because I was asked the question. My consultation fee is $150, and that $150 is for you to call me and for us to hold a conversation for an hour or however long, hour or so, talking about how I can improve your business, how I can help you get to that next level. Now, once you do that, then you enter into the independent welding program. Now, if you need updates or if there's something going on and you need some help in this area, you don't have to pay me for me to help you or to assist you or to guide you or to help you get a job. If something going on, I can say, hey, some jobs, some work over here if you down right now. So that's what the program pay for. So if it's worth it, invest in it. If it's not, don't invest in it. Either way, my actions are speaking louder than words, and other people are winning.